Hello students, in this video let's learn our third lesson, Galileo. So you would have heard this name Galileo in your social, is it not? So he was the one who discovered that earth is round and earth rotates itself and it revolves around the sun. Everything was said by Galileo. Okay, in this lesson let's see how the people of those days reacted to his discovery. Okay, so first paragraph. It is common knowledge today that the earth is a planet revolving around the sun. But there was a time not many centuries ago when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went around it. So, in those days, even educated people thought that earth is fixed. Okay, earth is not moving anywhere. Only the sun and other heavenly bodies means those stars, meteors, asteroids, all those are the heavenly bodies. So, they and all revolving around the earth. They believe like that. Even the well-educated people believe like that. Okay, so let's continue. The man who first brought to light the fact about them was a great scientist and astronomer called Galileo Galilei. He was born in the year 1564 in the Italian town of Pisa. So, the first scientist who found means it was Galileo. So, he was born in the year 1564. Okay, in the Italy, it's a country in Europe. Italian town. So, in the country Italy, there was one town called Pisa. So, there only Galileo was born. In the year 1608, a man called Hans Lippershey, a native of Holland, invented the telescope, the instrument in which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. So, in the year 1608, one more man, not Galileo, his name was Hans Lippershey. Okay, he was a native of Holland. Holland means Netherlands. That's also a European country. He only invented telescope. Okay, telescope you would have seen in the previous picture also. So Galileo was watching through a telescope. It will be looking like this only. It is what for it is invented means it is used to see the distant objects. Distant means far away. Okay, so he want to see the stars, other planets, other galaxy, other that and all they want to see. So they invented. It was invented by Hans Lippershey. Okay, so then what is the meaning of invented? Invented means something new. Finding out something new, that is called invented. Discovery means already it is there, already existing thing he is going to find out, that is called discovery. Okay, discovery of gravity you can take. So gravity is already there. Newton found that there is a force towards the earth, that is called gravity. Okay, that was discovery. Invention means new, something new. Okay, like TV, telephone, mobile phone, all these are inventions. Okay, that's the difference between invention and discovery. Magnified means making it bigger. Okay, small thing you can magnify means you can make it bigger to see. That is magnify. Next paragraph. When Galileo heard about the invention, he became greatly interested in it. He had at this time begun to study astronomy, and he saw that the invention would be a wonderful aid to the astronomer. He set to work on making a telescope for himself and very soon succeeded in making one which was better than the one Lippershey had made. Okay, so after invention of Hans Lippershey's telescope, Galileo also got a idea. Okay, with that idea he started inventing his own telescope, which was much better than the Lippershey's telescope. Okay, so already Galileo was very much interested in astronomy, so he thought this instrument will be very useful for his research. Next paragraph. Galileo's telescope was the first that was ever turned towards the stars. Looking through it, he saw 100 times as many stars as he could see with his bare eyes. So, what's the meaning is he was always watching through the telescope. Okay, ever turned towards the stars means he was ever means always. So he was always looking for the stars. Okay, so how he was looking? It was 100 times. Okay, 100 times it is closer to him. That means bigger. He can see in a magnified picture. Okay, with his bare eyes. Bare means with naked eyes. We will say no, without any big device or anything. With the normal eye we can see. He looked at the Milky Way, the broad white band of light seen across the sky at night, and found it contained millions and millions of faint stars. So what he looked at Milky Way. You all know our galaxy is called Milky Way. Okay, so why it is called Milky Way? During night, if you see, means it will be like a white band. Okay, nothing, like a white band. So if you splash milk on the sky, how it look, like that it will be looking. That's why they gave the name Milky Way. Okay, so he was looking into the stars and galaxy and millions of faint stars. Faint means not bright. Okay, little dull only. So like that, millions and millions. Million itself 10 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So it is millions and millions, uncountable faint stars he could see in the sky. Let's continue. He turned the telescope on the moon, and what he saw filled him with amazement. On the moon's surface, which seems so smooth, he saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. Okay, looking from earth, how we will see? We will see earth, moon like a small white, like a smooth picture we will see. But if we saw with the telescope, means how it will be? It will be with so many mountains and valleys. Mountains means okay, mountains and valleys. Those deep deep place after mountain only valleys. Okay, so how we have on earth, like that on moon also it was full of mountains and valleys. That was so surprising for Galileo. Greatly excited by these discoveries, Galileo carried his telescope to Venice and showed it to the learned men of that city. The people of Venice crowded at his house to have a look at the looking tube. Okay, so after his observations, okay, after his so much of observations and discoveries, Galileo took this telescope to Venice. Venice is also one of the city in Italy. Okay, so he took there and he showed to learned men. So some educated people will be there, no? So to them he want to show his discovery. So he took there so that people got to know, and they all crowded his house outside. Okay, for having a look at the looking tube. Looking tube means nothing but the telescope. It looks like a long tube, no? So people want to see that. It's a new invention on those days. They took it to the top of high buildings and looked through it at the ships out in the sea. They saw ships 50 miles away appearing to be only 15 miles off. When the ruler of Venice was shown the instrument, he was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo professor for life at the University of Padua. Okay, so he took to Venice. There they observed. Okay, to which people he want to show, he showed to them. So they saw that ships which are 50 miles away are just looking like they are 15 miles away. Okay, it looked like that. So by this invention, the ruler of Venice, he was pleased. Pleased means happy. He felt happy for this invention, and he appointed Galileo as professor of life at the University of Padua. So he have appointed him as a professor in one of the university. The first telescope that Galileo made magnified objects 3 times their size. Later he made one that magnified them 8 times. But he went on working on larger and larger ones until he made a telescope which brought objects 30 times nearer. Okay, so Galileo didn't stop his invention with that. He made more and more of telescope to see the stars, everything on the sky. So he made first telescope which makes it 3 times bigger. Okay, then he made one more telescope which made things which look 8 times bigger. Then he keep on worked, and he made one telescope which made objects 30 times nearer. Okay, 30 times closer it looked. Like that he made telescopes. With the aids of this telescope, he made important discoveries about the heavenly bodies. He found that the planet Jupiter had little moons that revolved around it. He found that the sun had spots on it, and that the spots closely moved across its face. He found from this that the sun, like the earth, spins around itself. So by the invention of telescope, Galileo was able to look into the heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means all those stars, sun, all these things which are on the sky. Those are called heavenly bodies. So he was keep on observing. So by that only he found that Jupiter had little moons. Earth is having only one moon, but Jupiter is having more than one moon. Okay, it has nearly 16 moons, I think, but it's not said in this lesson. So he found that there are many moons that are revolving around the Jupiter. And one more thing also he found, that is sun. If he observe the sun, there are spots on the sun. Okay, and the spots, it is slowly moving across its face. That is, these spots are moving. When he is constantly seeing that sun, it's moving. That means earth like sun like earth, it is also spinning around itself. How earth is rotating, likewise the sun is also spinning around itself. Like that Galileo discovered. Okay, with this I'll end this video. I'll continue the same lesson in the next video. Thank you, children.